Okay, good morning everyone. Before we start, who will volunteer to lead our prayer? Okay, Missy, lead the prayer.
Prayer. Heavenly Father, we thank you for all the blessing and gift of life. We commit our day to your mighty hands. Please make our school a place where we can learn. Please make our school a place of laughter and friendship. Make our school a place where we can share our hopes and dreams in life. Thank you for all the teachers who teach us well. Thank you for our school, which will help us grow and grow. Amen.
Okay, before we start our lesson for today, let's have attendance. I will call your name and say present if you are around.
After 5 minutes, checking attendance is done.
So, who will give an idea what is dressmaking? Okay, Lily, give your ideas about dressmaking. Okay, that's good. So now I will give you an exercise to answer, okay? I will give you the name of the shapes and then each name of the shapes has a corresponding letter. Okay, the first group who can give me the correct words that I am looking for will receive 10 points. Then, the team that gets the big points or the highest points has an additional 10 points. Okay, class, based from our activity today, what do you think is our new topic or new lessons?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, it's all about producing ladies trousers because our activities today is the tools and materials in sewing and drafting trousers.
Okay, very good. So, for our lessons for today, we are going to discuss about producing ladies' trousers. Okay, who can give me an idea on how to start in making trousers or what do we need to do first?
Ma'am,
Okay, Lina.
for me, ma'am, we need to cut the fabric and draft a trousers pattern.
Okay, that's good. You have the point, but before we cut our fabrics, we need to draft a pattern because we can assure that we cut our fabrics with the right measurements. Who else? Who can give me an additional ideas?
Ma'am,
Okay, Sisi.
cutting the fabric, sewing the inseam, sewing the sides, making the waistband, hemming the pants.
Okay, very good. I think you read in advance from our modules. So now let's proceed to our activity. I guess all of you have an ideas about the related things in producing ladies trousers. So now I will group you into 4 groups. So first I will read the questions followed by the choices. I will give you 3 choices for you to choose. Okay. The group that have the highest score will have an additional 10 points. Then the second group will receive 8 points while the third group will receive 6 points and then the last one will have 4 points which is not bad, okay? Each correct answer is 10 points. Okay, do you understand? Okay, let's start. Okay, here are the questions. Number 1. It is mostly used for making a curve of umbrella cloth. Letter A, pencil. Letter B, tracing wheel. Letter C, compass. Again, number 1, it is mostly used for making a curve for umbrella cloth. Letter A, pencil. Letter B, tracing wheel. Letter C, compass. Okay, next, number 2. It is made of wood or plastic. Either or 24 inches or 36 inches lengths are available. It's used to measure and shape the interior part of the leg. A. leg shaper. B, drafting table. C, compass. Okay, again. Question number 2. It is made of wood or plastic. Either 24 inches or 36 inches lengths are available. It is used to measure and shape the interior part of the legs. A, leg shaper. B, drafting table. C, compass. Next number. These blank are used for making unfold or red line and grain line or blue arrow. A, owl. B, L scale. C, red and blue pencils. Again, number 3. These blank are used for making unfold or red line and grain line or blue arrow. A, owl. B, L scale. And C is red and blue pencils. Next, number 4. Pointed and very sharp blank transfers marking onto a clean sheet of paper. Tool is often used when retracing patterns or when transfer drape muslin onto paper. A, tracing wheel. B, Melton cloth. C, brush. Again, question number 4. Pointed and very sharp blank transfers marking onto a clean sheet of paper. Tool is used when retracing patterns or when transfer drape muslin onto paper. A, tracing wheel. B, Melton cloth. C, brush. Okay, next. Question number 5. It is also called a tri-scale or blank that is made of wood or steel. It has one arm which measures 12 inches and the other is 24 inches. Basically used for drafting on brown paper to draw perpendicular lines. A, brown paper. B, L scale. C, pencil. Again, it is also called a tri-scale or blank that is made of wood or steel. It has one arm which measures 12 inches and the other is 24 inches. Basically used for drafting on brown paper to draw perpendicular lines. A, brown paper. B, L scale. C, pencil. Next number. It is used to marking on brown paper. A, brush. B, tracing wheel. C, pencil. Again, number 6. It is used to marking on brown paper. A, brush. B, tracing wheel. C, pencil. Next number. Number 7. It is used on Melton cloth to rub the mistakes during drafting. A, pencil. B, brush. C, L scale. Again, number 7. It is used on Melton cloth to rub the mistakes during drafting. A, pencil. B, brush. C, L scale. Next number. Number 8. It is a thick, blue-colored woolen cloth used for drafting. It is mainly used for practicing draft by fashion students. The students can be brushed and reused until correct drafting is got. Letter A, brown paper. B, Milton cloth. Letter C, old. Again, number 8, it is a thick blue-colored woolen cloth used for drafting. It is mainly used for practicing draft by fashion students. The surface can be brushed and reused until correct drafting is got. A, brown paper. B, Milton cloth. C, old. Next number 9. It is used to draw curves in drafting and is made of plastic or wood. Letter A, compass. Letter B, French curve. Letter C, Taylor's arc curve. Again, number 9, it is used to draw curves in the drafting and is made of plastic or wood. A, compass. B, French curve. C, Taylor's arc curve. Number 10, it is made of transparent plastic. It helps in marking shapes of the neck, depth or sides and garment's bottom. Essential tool for perfect shapings, armholes, necklines, and collars. Letter A, French curves. Letter B, compass. Letter C, Taylor's arc curves. Again, number 10, it is made of transparent plastic. It helps in marking shapes of the neck, depth of sides, and garment's bottom. Essential tool for perfect shaping, armholes, necklines, and collars. Letter A, French curves. Letter B, compass. Letter C, Taylor's arc curves. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, letter C. Number 2, letter A. Number 3, letter C. Number 4, letter A. Number 5, letter B. Number 6, letter C. Number 7, letter B. Number 8, letter B. Number 9, letter C. And then the last number is letter A. Okay, everybody give me your papers. And I will read the scores. Okay, here's your scores. Group 1 got 70 points plus 10 equals 80. Group 2 got 60 points plus 8. They have 68 points. Group 3 got 50 points plus 6. They have 56 points. Group 4 got 70 points plus 10. They have 80 points. So here are the results. The group who got the highest score are the group 1 and group 4. So we have a tie. Okay, every leader in each group list down all your members and then put your scores above the paper and then give that to me. Okay, everyone please settle down. Please go back to your proper seats now. Okay, let's proceed to our discussion. Pattern drafting in ladies' trousers. Before starting to draft the pattern, arm yourself with the following. First, pattern paper or Manila paper. Second, long ruler. Third, French curve. Fourth, pencil and eraser. Fifth, tape measure. Measurements needed. Waist, hips, knee circumference, bottom width, and pants length. F to J measurement 2 To the right, connect I to J using French curve. H to K, waist plus 4 plus 2 inches or for elastic band. Connect K to B using hip curve. L is the center of B and J. Project point L downward to the line C. M is the intersection of points L and E. N is the intersection of points L and C. M to O, knee circumference plus 4 minus 1/2 inch. M to P, knee circumference plus 4 minus 1/2 inch. N to Q, bottom width plus 4 minus 1/2 inch. N to R, bottom width plus 4 minus 1/2 inch. Connect B to Q using hip curve or ruler. Connect J to P using hip curve or ruler. Connect O to Q using ruler. Connect P to R using ruler. Okay, let's proceed to the back part of the trouser. H to 1 measures 1 and 1/2 inches to the left. 1 to 2 measures 1 and 1/2 inches upward. Connect F to 1 to point 2 with a diagonal line. 2 to 3, waist plus 4 plus 2 inches or for elastic band on a line A. Connect point 3 to 2 with a diagonal line. B to 4 is measures 1/2 inch to the left. 0 to 5 measure 1/2 inch to the left. Q to 6 measure 1/2 inch to the left. Connect 3 to 4 using hip curve. Connect 4 to 5 using hip curve or ruler. Connect 5 to 6 using ruler. 8 to 7 measures 1/4 inch downward, then draw a broken line outward. 7 to 8 measure 1 inch to the right. F to 9 measures 2 and 1/2 outward. Connect 9 to 8 using French curve. P to 10 measures 1/2 inch to the right. To separate the front and back pattern, trace the front pattern, follow the following points. K, H, I, J, P, R, B, O, Q, and line C. Okay, Samantha, please stand up. Before starting to draft the pattern, what should we need to arm in ourselves? Okay, from this topic that we have discussed, what do you think is the importance of drafting trousers pattern? Okay, any ideas? So now let's do an application. Individual. A. Using your own body measurement, be able to draft the following patterns. First, front patterns of ladies' trousers. Second, back patterns of ladies' trousers. Third, slant pocket, right and left. Fourth, waistband. Letter B. Make final patterns of the following. First, front patterns of ladies' trousers. Second, back patterns of ladies' trousers. Third, slant pocket, right and left. And then fourth is the waistband. So now, who can volunteer to give a summary about our topic? Okay, Gigi. Okay, thank you very much, Gigi. Okay. Next, how important to know the process in making ladies' trousers? And what are the biggest purpose of dressmaking? Who can give an ideas? Okay, Beth. Okay, Beth, thank you very much for your wonderful ideas. Okay, now let's proceed. Each one of you must do this assessment. It is fill in the blank. Okay, direction. Read each statement or question below carefully and fill in the blank with the correct answer. Choices are found in the box. Write your answers on the intermediate paper. So, before we end our class, I will give you an assignment. Okay, your answer in each item must be consist of 2 paragraphs. Okay, I will give you the questions of your assignment. Here's the questions. Okay, so class, that's all for today's lesson. Okay, any questions or clarifications? No one? Okay, I think no one will ask. Again, that's all for today. Goodbye, class, and thank you. By the way, don't forget to study in advance our next lessons in our module. Okay. Adios, clase!